my beautiful subscribers on my YouTube channel. It is Faithfully Blessed Back, and I'm here on this beautiful Wednesday. Y'all, I just want to say it is the end of the year, almost. We have one more day into 2021, and I would like to say it's time to reflect, let go, and move on. So first, what I mean by reflect. Reflect on the good things that happened this year. Reflect on the things that you wish that you could have did differently, but you did not. And then, as far as like let go of what you could not change. Let go of the fact that, you know, we're in this pandemic and we can't really do what we want to do. Let that go. Learn how to be proactive in the disaster. And that's a big one. Learning to be proactive in the disaster. Learning to make the best of things that you cannot change, like this pandemic. You know, some of us have lost people within this pandemic, and it's just so very sad that our loved ones, even I have lost somebody. You know, even I have had COVID-19 myself. I've had COVID myself. And I just thank God for healing. I thank God for peace. And I thank God and I pray over everybody who's watching this right now. Even though this is not live and it is pre-recorded, when you do watch this, I hope that you get a blessing and be a blessing to somebody else during this time. It is a critical time right now for us as a whole nation. But I just want to say that we can get through it. Y'all, it is going to be another year and less than one day. So I would say let go of people that don't mean you no good. Let go of situations that you really can't change and really can't grow from. And also what I mean about moving on. So now we have one more day to the end of the year, and now we have to move forward. Move forward, whatever that looks like. Fall forward. Fall forward. Fall forward. Don't go back. Fall forward. If you just got out of a bad relationship, okay, fall forward. If you just lost your job, fall forward. If you just sat up here, I don't know, and got sick, fall forward. Fall forward into whatever it is, because God has something on the other side that's preparing you. That's preparing you to be greater, be stronger, be healthier. God is preparing you to uplift somebody else along as yourself. But you got to believe it. You got to have faith and know that all things work for the good. No matter how rough it may look, all things work for the good. And so this is just a short video, but I hope you all have took something from this video, even though it was a snippet. Just embrace where you are. Thank God if you are living. Thank God that you have made it to almost another year. Another day to breathe. Another day to walk. Another day to talk. Another day to dream. Another day to create ideals. Another day to talk to your family. Another day to drive. Another day to do whatever it is that you want to do today. And today is a blessed day. Today is a beautiful day outside. God made today a beautiful day. We've had rain. You probably have had, you know, the coldest weather outside, and the sun is just beaming down right now. So I thank God for that. I thank God for peace and restoration over anybody who is watching this video. And y'all, yeah, I'm in the car driving, but that's all right. You know, I'm not going as fast because I want to talk to y'all. I want to put a message out here. I want to be a blessing to somebody else today. I want to be able to tell somebody else, no matter what you are going through, you can make it through. It may not be today, it may not be tomorrow, but you can do it. Y'all, we have one more day. One more day. And look at that glow, man. We have one more day to another year. Don't take the old hurt, the old pain, the old relationships in that new year. Let's make it new. Let's make it new. Make some new goals this year. Get on a weight loss plan. Get on a diet plan. Go out and start a business. Do what you've been wanting to do a long time ago, and don't hold back now. We finna be in a brand new year, y'all. And you see how I'm jumping towards 2021, because it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. And so I'm just asking that each and every one of you be blessed. And just think about that. To take some time today and reflect, delete, cut out things that don't need to be there, and also get ready to move on. Get ready for your new breakthrough, for your new outcome. I'm telling y'all, it is 2021. It's gonna be 2021. in less than 1 day. And I have other content that I'm working on right now, but I just want to jump in and throw this video out there for somebody to know that it will be okay. You will make it through. You will get that apartment. You will go back to school. You will do whatever your heart desires you to do in the right moment and in God's moment. In God's moment. And so I thank you all for tuning into this video. I know, like I said, it's short, but I just want to be straight to the point, and I want to get to what I'm thinking about today. So I thank you all for tuning into this video. Until another time, I will see you. My name is Faithfully Blessed. If you have liked this video, share this video with somebody else that you thought that needed it, man. Because we're at the end of the year. We're at the end of this rope. We're not done with COVID, but we are learning how to cope with it. Let's get to it. So I want to leave with this. Today, love. Today, reflect. Today, delete. Today, turn the other leaf and move forward. Okay? So, like I said, I'm gone, y'all. I just want to come with that quick snippet. So, you all have a good day and be blessed.